This is the old way to ignite the candle, but here is the new way to burn the candle. See, I just burned this candle with my finger, but how is that possible? I will tell you everything in detail, so without wasting so much time here, let's get started. The challenging part of this project is cellular exciter circuit. Before making an cellular exciter circuit, we must have N-channel MOSFET. Here I use IRF Z44N N-channel MOSFET, and moving terminal of this 1 kilo ohm variable resistor is connected directly to the gate of N-channel MOSFET, and source of N-channel MOSFET is connected through red wire to the fixed terminal of 1 kilo ohm variable resistor. And connecting primary winding of the Tesla coil directly to the drain terminal of the N-channel MOSFET, and next terminal of the primary winding of that coil to the 150 ohm resistor series with that, and 150 ohm resistor is connected to the remaining fixed terminal of the 1 kilo ohm variable resistor. And then moving to the secondary winding. Secondary winding is made of large number of ton, which is nearly equal to 1000 ton, and bottom part of the secondary winding is connected to the gate terminal of N-channel MOSFET, and the top part of the secondary winding is left open where electrostatic discharge take place. And moving on to the high voltage capacitor, and this high voltage capacitor is connected parallel to the primary winding of the Tesla coil. The main application of this high voltage capacitor in this circuit is to make LC resonance. And the main application of this variable resistor is to tune the LC resonating circuit. Now I use this wire for extending the top part of the secondary winding of the Tesla coil so that I could wound it with the thread of the candle. Now I use 24 voltage a regulated DC power supply for this project, and connecting 24 voltage across the circuit will make spark at the top of the candle thread so that this candle can give fire automatically while touching the top part of the thread. When I touch at the tip of the thread of the candle, then it light up so quickly. And not only that, the shape and size of the flame also changing when I touch the high voltage wire of the secondary winding of the Tesla coil. During touching, the flame becomes cylinder, and while I don't touch the high voltage coil of the secondary of Tesla coil, then flame become triangle. Hope from this video you learn something new that you may try. Feel free to ask any question regarding in comment section, and for my motivation, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and till then, see you in next video.